Hey guys, welcome back to Bus Suck Garage. I'm going to give you a little update what's coming up this weekend. I ordered a couple pieces for Gator, just some small stuff. Got some tailgate chains and the polyurethane trunnions for the tailgate, bottom part of the tailgate. These ones on this one now are bad. So the trunnions that go in there are polyurethane. The ones that go in there are polyurethane, and the ones that are in here are cast. Keeps a lot of the rattle noise down and easier to open and shut. And then that's about all we're doing to Gator. Maybe some small, take some stuff off and paint it. Nothing else. For now. After we do that, next thing we're going to do is we're going to start on my 2015 Chevy pickup. Got to do a little bit of bed body work. Starting to bubble around the fender wells, and figure we'll sand it down, make sure there's no bad rust hold. If there is, maybe we'll cut it out and weld it, maybe we won't. Might just use some all metal for now. Eventually I'd like to have it professionally done, just I don't want it rusting anymore. We'll get our sand down and put some rust killer on it, and then maybe use some all metal, fill it all out, smooth it out, put some paint on it. Hey, when you own them, you gotta take care of them. Not everyone can afford a brand new truck. They're expensive. I just figured I'd give you guys a lowdown on what's going on next. And this winter upcoming projects will be the 4L80 swap on Gator. We're going to put a 2002 radiator and dual fans in it. And maybe, I haven't made up my mind yet. If I just want to put a lowering spring on it for now, or a lowering spring and spindles. I might just do all of it. Lowering spring, spindles, and then shocks. And I found CPP, I think it's Classic Performance Parts or something like that. Their prices are more reasonable than most of the other companies. A lot of people say they like them, so I think we might go with CPP upper and lower tube arms. We'll go with lowering coil and spindle, and CPP front thick sway bar, 2-inch sway with greasable joints. And we'll do QA1 shocks, since we already got QA1 shocks on the rear. We'll go ahead and put them on the front. But yeah, that's what we got going on so far. Or why am I saying so far? What we got coming up. We'll be doing that, and might be going over to my buddies to help him decide a plan on the 86 C10 he just bought, fleet side. Try to figure out a plan and get going on it so she's ready for next summer. But people walking down the street, oh well, hey. But figure all that out. But hey, just figure I'd give you guys a lowdown what's going on next. Appreciate it, guys. Everyone's subscribing. I'm slowly getting out of my shell. It's taking me a little bit. I'm not used to recording myself, but I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.